Hello from the United States. I'm Bronwyn from Digital Energy Web Services, and I'm sending you the video that I promised you so you can get more business. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your website to be discovered more on Google, bring in more business, and create more revenue. So here we have your website. It's very pretty. I would like to see more services and more pictures. And then also something else that's very, very important to Google is the amount of content that you have on your page. Generally, we recommend 1,500 to 2,000, even though you might be able to get away with a little bit less, and I'm going to show you why here in just a minute. As you can see, you only have 125 words of content on your homepage. All right, so let's go and look at something else. This is Ahrefs. It's a pretty expensive program that I use, but it shows me a lot about a website. So here you can see you do not have a lot of data with Google, and I'm going to show you ways that we can improve that. Right now, we're going to go ahead and go look at one of your top competitors. I just put in roofing for Walsall, and they came up first on both through Google Map Pack and also on the organic search. This is kind of great news for you, although their website is more developed than yours. They don't have a whole lot of content on there. They only have 569 words of content. So I could see you guys going with about 1,200. You do want to be substantially higher with the content because I'm sure that people are going to catch on to you taking their business here soon and start making their websites better. So let's go ahead and go look at Ahrefs for them. Now, as you can see, they have a lot more information. These numbers right here are their trust factor with Google. The UR is their home page, and the DR is their entire website. So as you can see, these numbers are very low. I do think that it would only take a few months for you to be beating them and be first on the first page of Google there in the UK, which is absolutely great news. These are their backlinks with the referring domains to the backlinks. And all a backlink is where you have a link on another website that's pointing back to your website, and it pulls power from their website to yours. Now, you really want to have good quality backlinks because there's a lot of backlinks that don't transfer any power to your website, and so we want to make sure we stay away from those and have a lot more what we call do follow links than no follow links. Another thing is we also want to take the content we were just talking about, and we really want to take the keywords that are location specific that people actually search for and put that into your content. So that way you can see, let's see here if we can see what they are actually ranking for. So that way you can get onto the first page for those search terms, and you can see here that the volume that is searched per month is 100. So for each one of the keywords, you're getting about 10 to 20% of that volume that we could get you ranked for. And that's going to bring you in a lot of business. The last thing that I want to talk to you about is citations. And all a citation is your name, address, and phone number in different directories like Yelp, Super Yellow Pages. There's a lot of different contracting directories that you get your name, address, and phone number into, and that really helps with the Google Map Pack. The Google Map Pack is one of the easiest ways to be able to get onto the first page of Google. So today we've talked about content, keywords, backlinks, and citations. If you want to take this information that I've given to you and go use it yourself, I'm totally cool with that. It'll take you a little bit more time and research to be able to find out these answers for you. Or if you want to save yourself a lot of time and stress, I'd be more than happy to have a chat with you, and we can see if maybe we're a good fit for each other. I definitely want to build up trust since, of course, we are across the pond from each other, but I think that you'd really enjoy working with me, and I think that I could get your results relatively quickly for your company. So I hope that you have a great day. I would enjoy if you could provide some feedback in the video that I've sent to you. And I look forward to talking to you. I hope you're having a great day. Thanks so much.